Welcome to the new lighting assembly tutorial, where we will get you set up with your new lights. When you receive your shipment, your lights will come in 2 separate boxes, each with their own associated hardware. Box 1 will have the light assembly and its hardware. And Box 2 will have the power drivers and their hardware. Our pro installers say, for faster assembly, first open all of the drivers and set aside to have easy access to the hardware. Next, stabilize the frame. Gather the necessary hardware and locate the connector screw and Allen wrench. You will use these to stabilize the frame. Find the hole for the connector screw and secure it with the Allen wrench. Then find the hole on the opposite side and secure it as well. Now locate all 4 D-rings. There are 2 on each side. This will be for the hanging hardware. Attach hooks to all 4 D-rings. Next, you'll be mounting the power driver to the frame. Align the power driver frame onto the light frame so that the holes line up. Next, attach the frame with the wing screws. Now it's time for the exciting part. Let's plug it in. Connect the DC power connectors using the matching key system. You'll notice that each side has 6 holes for easy matching. Make sure the DC power cables are secure. As you might expect, the AC power also has a matching key system. This one has 3 prongs. Secure the AC power and you're hooked up. Our specialty low voltage dimmer is designed to be default off. This means that it has to be connected to low voltage dimming in order to turn on. When it's connected, use the controller to test. Now it's time to test the system with the controller. You can test your lights using the full spectrum tuner using 3 controls. Now it's time to get growing. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at sunscapeled.com.